Hello student, myself Ajay Gupta, as your science teacher, welcome you in chemistry lecture 6. Before starting the lecture, it is inform you that the stationery shops has been opened, so please purchase your copy and books and do all work on your fair copy. Now let's start our today's topic. Mixture. In previous classes, we have studied about the pure and impure substances. We have already studied about the pure substances. Now in this class, we study about impure substances. Impure substances, that means mixtures. They are two types, homogeneous and heterogeneous mixture. Also, the mixtures divided in further many types such as solutions, suspensions, emulsions, colloidals, and colloidal dispersions. In this, some are homogeneous mixture and some are heterogeneous mixture. Now, trying to know the homogeneous mixture. It is the mixture that has the same composition. That means the composition of the mixture is same. For example, sugar and salt dissolve in water. Sugar or salt dissolve in water. Next topic, heterogeneous mixture. Each component of the mixture remains separate and can be observed as individual component under microscope or naked eyes. That means a heterogeneous mixture. In this mixture, the components can be separated easily and can be observed by the microscope. For examples of the heterogeneous mixture, sand and water, oil and water, etc. Oil in water, sand in water. Now again, types of mixture. The first, solutions. They are made by mixing a solute and a solvent. The solute is the substance that dissolves and the solvent does the dissolving. This is about the solute and solvent. The solute substance, that means which is dissolved, and the solvent which is dissolving. For example, sugar and water. When we mix, they form a solution. In this, sugar as a solute and water as a solvent, because sugar dissolved in water, and water, the value of water, it is in comparison to sugar. So excess of the component always known as solvent. Suspension. Our next topic is suspension. They are a heterogeneous mixture of solid and liquid. Again, suspension is the heterogeneous mixture of solid and liquid, in which solid does not dissolve. For example, water and sand. They form a heterogeneous mixture. When we dissolve sand in water, we can see sand by our naked eyes, and we can also separate sand from the water. So today's homework, write this all the notes and definitions on your fair copy, and please try to learn and write for practice. Again I repeat, please purchase book and copy and do all work on your fair copy. Thank you so much.